Example number 40. In a bank, principal increases continuously at the rate of 5% per year. Principal is increasing at the rate of 5% per year. So it means, suppose let P be the principal at time t. P be the principal at time t. So dp by dt here continuously increasing at the rate. So at the rate principal is increasing at the rate means dp by dt is equal to 5% per year. So 5% means 5 by 100 of a principal P. So now here we can write dp by P, separating dp by P is equal to 5 by 100 into dt. Now integrating both sides, So integrating both sides here, so integration of dp by t, here 5 by 100 is a constant, so outside and dt. So integration of dp by p is log p. Integration of dp by p is log p equal to 5 by 100, and integration of dt is t. Integration of dt is t plus one constant here, integral constant, it is c1. Now log p is equal to 5 by 100 t plus c1. You know that the definition of log a raised to the power x equal to n, then log n to the base a equal to x implies by a raised to the power x equal to n, then log n to the base a equal to x. So if this one, we can write this one, if this one, then write this one. So suppose here base is e. So e raised to the power this whole one become e raised to the power 5 by 100 t plus c1 is equal to p. This is suppose n, so e raised to here log n to the base e is equal to x. Suppose this whole one is x, so become here a raised to the power x, so here e, so e raised to the power x, and n is your p, so here p. So this is here. So now we can break like this, e raised to the power 5 by 100 into e raised to the power c1 is equal to p. On the same base, power added. So e raised to the power c1 is a constant. This is a constant. So we can write here k e raised to the power 5 by 100 is equal to p. So k e raised to the power 5 by 100, here it is t, so write here t, write here t. So k, this constant is k e raised to the power, this is e raised to the power by 100 into t equal to t. You got now this one. So now see here, when time t equal to 0, when t is equal to 0, initially when time t equal to 0, the principal will be 1000 rupees. Okay, so principal will be 1000 in the beginning of the year. It means t equal to 0 at that time. So principal is 1000 rupees, p is 1000 rupees. So now here put here in this equation, suppose this is equation number 1. From equation 1, so see here k e raised to the power 5 by 100 into t is 0 is equal to p. So here e raised to the power 0, so here this one become k into e raised to the power 0 equal to p. So p equal to k. P equal to k. So we got here p equal to k, where k is a constant. Now we are going to put the value of k. Now we have to put the value of p. So p is 1000. So p equal to 1000. So k equal to 1000. Now from equation 1, equation 1 is here. So p equal to k is 1000. K is 1000 e raised to the power 5 by 100 into t. Now question is when it will become double. So now when p equal to 2000 means double. So find the time. So we have to find out the time t when it will become double. It means we have to find out the time t when it will become double. So see here, so when it will become double, so p is equal to 2000 double, here 1000 e raised to the power 5 by 100 into t. So our purpose to find out t. So see here, 2000 divided by 1000 is equal to e raised to the power 5 by 100 into t. So here cancel. So it is, so this one is equal to 2 e raised to the power 5 by 100 into t. Now e here 2 equal to e raised to the power 5 by 100. So now convert into log form. We can convert into log form. So here 20. So 2 is equal to e raised to the power t by 20. So now use of logarithm formula. Just now I discussed a raised to the power x equal to n, then log n to the base a equal to x. So compare here. Suppose this is x, and here this is n. So here become log n is your 2, n is your here 2, see here, n, and compare here, n is 2, is equal to, and base is your e, t by 20, this is your x. So t is equal to 20 log 2 to the base e. This is your timing. This is the final answer. When time t is equal to 20 log 2 base e, then principal will become double.